Carbon monoxide is a risk you can't afford to ignore. You can't see it or smell it, but it can make you ill or even kill within minutes. The NSI 3000 professional grade low-level CO monitor provides the best protection available for your loved ones. Other CO detectors just don't measure up. This new generation monitor is packed with many features to give you maximum protection, ease of use, and great functionality. For the next few minutes, we'll show you why the NSI is an essential safety precaution that is different from all the others. You probably have already seen in the news the devastating results of exposure to carbon monoxide and CO poisoning. Every day, families are put at risk because of carbon monoxide gas in the home or office. This state-of-the-art safety device will help ensure your family isn't one of them. So let's take a look at some steps you can take to protect yourself and your family. First, it's important to have a qualified and certified carbon monoxide analyst visit your home to test your combustion appliances. They should check your gas or oil furnace or boiler by removing the access cover and using a combustion analyzer. They can not only check for carbon monoxide, but also fine-tune your equipment for maximum efficiency. Your hot water heater may also be a source for carbon monoxide. Your certified contractor will have the knowledge and tools on hand to do the job right. Other places your contractor should check include the gas oven, clothes dryer, and gas fireplace. All it takes is a simple test that can put your mind to rest. Once your home has been thoroughly checked, you're ready for the security that comes with an NSI 3000 carbon monoxide monitor. The NSI 3000 outperforms the off-the-shelf carbon monoxide monitors you find at most retail stores. That's because the NSI 3000 uses a professional-grade sensor used in high-end testing instruments. It features an ultra-sensitive setting that sounds an alarm after detecting as low as 15 parts per million for 5 minutes. Retail monitors don't alert you until CO reaches nearly 5 times that level, 70 parts per million for 3.5 hours. And according to World Health Organization reports, carbon monoxide levels as low as 15 to 20 parts per million can have adverse health effects on many people. Some medical studies have shown a marked increase in cardiorespiratory complaints at 27 parts per million. Those retail monitors you buy won't alert you at those levels. If you read the package, these store alarms even state they do not protect infants, elderly people, or those that are CO sensitive. By the time their alarm sounds, you may already need to evacuate the building and seek medical attention. Only the NSI 3000 professional low-level carbon monoxide monitor is designed to protect all persons in the home. That's because the NSI 3000 provides multiple levels of protection. First, a digital display alerts you when carbon monoxide levels are as low as 5 parts per million for at least 30 seconds. Then, if carbon monoxide levels stay above 15 parts per million for 5 minutes, an audible alarm sounds every 8 seconds. If CO levels exceed 35 parts per million, the alarm sounds every 4 seconds. And should levels reach 70 parts per million, the alarm sounds every 2 seconds. There is also a feature that records and remembers the highest reading just in case something happens when you're away or asleep. And because this unit is battery operated, you can mount the unit in the best location to detect carbon monoxide. The hinged back opens easily for battery replacement. You may also want to take a monitor with you when you work in your garage, barn, or any remote location that has a combustion source. The monitor can even be taken on vacation with you, as hotels are notorious locations for carbon monoxide poisoning from pool heaters and idling cars in parking lots. Put one in your boat or RV or anywhere you might be exposed to combustion products. With the hinge mounted back, you can mount the monitor on the wall, or slide the back open to use it as a base to stand on a night table, countertop, or workbench. Other features of the NSI 3000 include a continuous scan mode that displays the monitor's activity 24 hours, 7 days a week. The monitor includes a hush button to silence the alarm, but will reset itself if the carbon monoxide source is not cleared. And remember, because of the quality and advanced features of the NSI 3000, it's only available through professional, nationally certified contractors and comes with a 2-year warranty. One common concern is, where should I mount my NSI 3000? Because carbon monoxide is lighter than air, we recommend it be mounted at eye level. Another question often asked is, what should you do if the NSI monitor's alarm sounds? If the levels are between 15 and 70 parts per million, call your certified contractor for further testing. In the rare event that you have a level over 70 parts per million, you should leave the home or office immediately and then call your certified contractor. If you're experiencing symptoms of CO poisoning at any level, evacuate the building immediately and call 911. Detailed instructions are included in the owner's manual and on the back of your monitor. You may invest a bit more for the NSI 3000, but the added safety and security is worth it. With the NSI 3000, you'll be getting a carbon monoxide monitor that lets you know there's a potentially life-threatening problem long before other detectors even begin to work. The NSI 3000 low-level CO monitor is the best protection from deadly carbon monoxide poisoning available. Make this investment in safety and security for you and your family today.